Did you know you can turn your Instagram or TikTok account into a money making machine? That's right. You don't need millions of followers to start earning. In this video, I will show you exactly how to grow a niche social media account and monetize it through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. Whether you are a beginner or already you have an account, this step-by-step guide will help you turn your passion into profit. Let's dive in. The first question is why social media is a gold mine. Social media isn't just for sharing selfies or funny videos anymore. It's a legit way to make money. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have created opportunities for anyone to grow an audience and monetize their content. And the best part is, you don't need a huge following to start. Even with just 1000 engaged followers, you can start earning. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process from choosing a niche to landing your first sponsorship. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your niche. The first step to making money on social media is choosing a niche. A niche is simply a specific topic or category that your account will focus on. For example, fitness and wellness, beauty and skincare, travel and lifestyle, food and recipes, personal finance, or money saving tips. Why is a niche important? Because it helps you attract a specific audience that brands want to target. Think about what you are passionate about or what you already post about. Your niche should be something you enjoy because you will be creating a lot of content around it. Step 2. Creating high quality content. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to create content that stands out. You don't need fancy equipment, just your phone and good lighting are enough to start. Focus on three things: consistency, quality, value. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Make sure your photos and videos are clear and well edited. Share tips, tutorials, or entertaining content that your audience will love. And you have a pro tip. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges on TikTok to boost your visibility. On Instagram, focus on reels and carousel posts to reach more people. Step 3. Growing your audience. Growing your audience is key to making money on social media. Here is how to do it. There are 4 steps. Engage with your audience, use hashtags, collaborate with others, post at the right time. Reply to comments and DMs to build a loyal community. Research niche specific hashtags to reach more people. Partner with creators in your niche to cross promote each other's content. Use Instagram and TikTok analytics to find out when your audience is most active. Remember, it's not about having millions of followers. It's about having an engaged audience that trusts you. Step 4. Monetizing your account. Now let's talk about the fun part, making money. Here are 3 ways to monetize your social media account. 1. Sponsorships. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services. Start by reaching out to small brands or signing up for influencer platforms like AspireIQ or Upfluence. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links in your bio or post and earn a commission for every sale you make. Popular programs include Amazon Associates, LTK, and Share a Sale. Number 3 is selling your own products. If you have a skill or product, promote it to your audience. For example, you could sell ebooks, courses, or even handmade items. A pro tip: always disclose sponsored content with hashtag ad or hashtag sponsored to stay transparent with your audience. Step 5. Scaling your social media business. Once you start making money, it's time to scale your social media business. Here is how. Track your analytics. Use Instagram Insights or TikTok Analytics to see what's working and double down it. Diversify your income. Don't rely on just one monetization method. Combine sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Build a personal brand. As your account grows, focus on building a brand that people trust and want to follow. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. And that's it. Making money with social media is totally possible if you are willing to put in the work. Start by choosing a niche, creating great content, and engaging with your audience. Before you know it, you will be landing sponsorships and earning money doing what you love. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money. Let me know in the comments what your niche is going to be. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.